Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can automate pool cleaning for your above ground or in-ground pool, chlorine water or salt water as well by using an iGarden pool cleaner. This is the K series and happens to be the K40, and it's a completely wireless rechargeable pool cleaner for your home. Let's get right to it. Now this robot is a very easy robot to use. It's probably one of the simplest that you'll find on the market and has the benefit of having, again, that rechargeable battery that you can just plug in once you actually use it. It is Wi-Fi, as I mentioned, and it also is app enabled, so you can use a smart app to control it. Now the battery life for this, or the endurance as they put it, is going to be 4-hour runtime, and it's going to be able to do the floor, the wall, and it's also going to be able to do the water line, which is important. It also has some powerful suction, which you can actually put it in a turbo mode, and it's going to be able to keep your pool clean. Now, in addition to getting the robot that you see here, you do get a pool hook that you'd connect to your pool pole to actually take it out of the water. And you basically connect it right here, and then you'd be able to pull it out. Now, the robot does have some treads. The treads are a little bit thinner than some of the robots that I've seen on the channel, right? So these are probably about a little bit over 1.5 inches thick, and they are what helps it go up and down on the sides of the wall of your pool. In the front here, you'll notice that it has these flippers, which as it's turning, bring in debris. But the suction for these guys is pretty strong, where I've seen as it's even near some type of debris, like leaves or any kind of debris in the pool, the wake sucks it in, which is really nice. You'll see the touchscreen in a second, but let's take a look at what's going on here on the bottom. On the bottom here, you'll see, let's move it right there. You'll see that it has this area that kind of has these little squeegee rubberized feet here that help scoop up the material that's coming into your pool, right? Or that's in your pool to bring it into here, the suction area. Now, as I mentioned, as this thing is going by, the suction here is what I've noticed is so powerful that it basically drags it in, even if there's debris over here or over here. It's like a huge vacuum cleaner. This is your power button, right? So you turn this on to turn it on. And then what you'll see here on the back, I'm gonna flip this around. This looks like a Bugatti, right? It's like a sports car. But you have this jet right here. So as it's pulling in, water is being expelled over here, and that kind of creates that powerful suction. You do have a charging port down here. You have to make sure that you have that locked in and pushed in. It just comes out like this. It's a rubberized one. And then you just push it back in just to make sure that the actual electrical contacts don't get wet. That's important. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on so you can see the display. Before we do that, let's take a look at the actual dustbin that you see right here. So this is the dustbin, right? It has a little compartment here. Pretty fine in nature, right? So that's going to pick up dust, fine particles, almost sand-like material that gets trapped in your pool. And then all you do is you just put it back just like that. It just locks into place, and you're good to go. Now this robot features a touchscreen, and we've seen the K70 has the same thing. So you'll notice here, it's kind of a little bit sunny, so I'm just covering it up with my hands. You have the time, you have the power, you have kind of like the mode that you're going to go in, battery life, turbo suction, and you know, just all these things that you can do by pressing things on the screen. Now our pool is a little dirty still. We just opened it up. I've had it go through already one cleaning, but we have still a lot of debris in the pool. And what you'll see is the robot is going to immediately start working. So you can see it down here in the water as it's going to start moving back and forth. And then eventually it's going to cover the entire pool area. I don't know if it's going to make it to this ledge right here. I was testing out the K70, and you'll notice that this area is clean, which meant that the robot did make it this high as it was going up. And you can see it going up right now. So it looks like it cleaned this area, but it didn't make it to that side. And yeah, you can see it. See how it's coming up? So it's taking care of this. And this is because it's been set up to come up to the water line. So it's going to come up, and you can see up here, and you can see it cleaning right there. That's what you want. This is a good setting to have, especially if you've ever discovered that your pool has some grime on the water line. And we'll pan up for a second so you can see our water line right there. So you can see here on the side. What ends up happening, you can see that white area, that's because the water needs to be a little bit higher. But this is going to keep that clean. And you'll notice that there's some debris that gets stuck there on the side. So you can see that. Leaves and stuff. So this guy's going to take care of that. And it's going to go ahead and start working its way throughout the entire pool. Once again, our pool is a relatively decent sized pool. We basically have a saltwater system, and we've had it now for a number of years. We use a surface skimmer to keep the top of the pool clean, and then we have an underwater cleaner like this to take care of everything that's going on. We have a plane going overhead for a second, so apologies for that, but you can see kind of like the robot's doing its thing. It's going to go ahead and just pull out. It should make it all the way to the other side. And you're going to see how it's going to take care of the debris that's right over there in the water. All right, so it's already started. You can see how it sucked it up. It's pulling the debris from the left, and it's gone, right? So not just what's in its path, but it's going to also take things on the side because the suction is so strong. It's just going to suck it right in, just like that. And there it is. It's cleaning the water line. And it's going to go down again, right? See the leaves now moving again. And the suction is so powerful that it's doing that, and it hasn't even made it there. Notice how it dispersed that one over there as well. That's just the overall suction strength that's going on there. And it's going to continue to kind of cover the entire pool. All right, you'll notice that it just rotated. I don't know if it's going to go that way or this way, but it'll just cover the pool. These are pretty straightforward, guys. Very, very easy to use. Not a lot that you have to worry about when it comes to maintenance. You just have to take it out. Right? We do have some other robots that elevate themselves out of the pool to make it even easier. This pool robot doesn't weigh too much, so when you're taking it out, it doesn't feel like it has a lot of water in it. So I'm able to take it out easily. Nilda, more importantly, she has carpal tunnel, so it's important. She doesn't have a lot of grip strength, so having something that she can take out easily is important too. So these work well for her. And you can see it kind of like doing its thing here. It kind of skid a little bit over here, which I wish it stayed over here, but it's still doing its thing over here. So we'll just let it continue to clean, and we'll come back and see what the pool looks like. It's going to take a while, so I won't bore you with that. But you can see how easily, even though it only has those 1.5-inch treads, right, doesn't have any problem going up and down my pool wall at all. That's pretty impressive, right? Pretty impressive. Hopefully we get our pool in shape in the next couple of days. It's getting warm in Chicago, so we're hitting upper 70s. So looking forward to using our pool. And water balance is good, so it's just more about getting the pool clean. And you can see that this robot moves relatively fast too. So this is what the pool looks like after the robot completed doing its cleaning. There's a couple areas that it missed. Not too critical about that. Relatively, it did okay. Sometimes what ends up happening, some debris will fall after it cleans. So the results are as I would have expected. So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.